Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now we are ready finally to start creating Facebook ads using the Facebook custom audience, the audience that we created. Remember, with your pixel, people that visit your website that already know you and your products, with any combination, with any of the advanced combination and strategies that we talked about in the last model. For that, we will use this audience. This is one of the audience that we just created. Remember, in the last video, it was showing audience too small. Now it's showing the audience is ready because we have more than 20, which is the minimum, more than 20 people in this specific audience. So this is an audience of the people that visit my website in the last 15 days. So we have 1,300 people that went to my website in the last 15 days and took a look on my products and my services, okay? So we are targeting these people because in this case, this is just an example, we have a new product. Or maybe you have a new video or a new post. Doesn't matter the goal. The thing is that you can target the right people. On this example, we will use to promote a new course that I have, which is this one on this case. Okay, so let's go and do that right now. We go here to the top right hand side on the green button saying create ad. And in here, we have the marketing objectives when we need to select this. If you are not seeing this for any reason, you can go here to the left menu and click on objective. Click on that and you will be able to see this initial graphic that we have here on screen right now. So for this example, we will use traffic under consideration. I won't go in details for each one of these. I have other courses where I do that. But for this course, we are going straight to the ad to make it easier for you. So click on the traffic option, click on continue. The first option here is asking us, where do you want to drive people? To website or message or to app? In this case, we are driving people to website. Next, we have the audience, and here we can select the audience that we already created, okay? Let's see, the name of the audience was this one, Diego Davila, 15 days audience, okay? So here again, we have a list of all the people that visit my website in the last 15 days, okay? Scroll down, you can add the locations, what are the locations that you want to target, the age of your audience. Let's see, on this case, I will add on the location United Kingdom too. I will add Canada. This is just for test. And let's add also Australia. Okay, wonderful. So we have some locations. The age of my target audience, I will say that they are from 30 to 55. Gender, we want all. You can also select only men, only women. Languages, let's say English, English all. Detailed targeting. Here you can spend lot of time selecting the right target, the right interest for your audience. For example, in this case, on my website, I have courses about several subjects. For example, I have courses about Facebook, about YouTube, Amazon, Alibaba. So let's say that for this one, I want only to target people because my new product is about Facebook. I want to target only the people that visit my website in the last 15 days, but are also interested only on Facebook, not on YouTube or any other subject, for example. So in here, I can go and select Facebook marketing, for example. I can select Facebook for business, Facebook for local business. I recommend you to spend some time here to explore all the categories. And also you can exclude people, I don't want to add people that are interested on, let's say, entertainment, for example. I mean, games. Just as an example, okay? When you have this ready, let me delete this for now. You can, the last option is also connections. You can include the people that like your page, friends of people who like your page, or exclude people who already like one specific page. And here you have the chance to select that page, okay? Next, we have the placement, automatic. On this case, you can edit that if you want to remove, for example, Instagram, select only Facebook, and where on Facebook you want your ad to be displayed. Budget and schedule, how much you want to invest. I initially recommend always to my student to invest as little as you can, especially if this is your first Facebook ad for this specific target audience. I'm not saying that you have never created Facebook ad. That's not the case. What I am saying here, if this is a new target audience that we have, I recommend you to spend as low as you can to see how the audience is responding to your ad. Okay, this is super target audience, so the chances for them to respond to your ad and start buying your product, visiting your page are higher because these people already know you, as you know. Schedule set, you can select to run ad continuously, or you can set start and end date. Also, I recommend you to set and start and end date because some people say, hey, run continuously, and the problem is that after a few days, after a few months, they end up with a big bill from Facebook saying, hey, this is all the amount you spend on Facebook ads. So for the beginning, I recommend you to start with a start and end date. Okay, let's move forward. Optimization delivery. This is good too. Link clicks, impressions, or daily unique reach. On this case, I will select link clicks because I want Facebook to optimize the ad and show these to people who will actually go and click on the links. Okay. Bid amount, let's leave it automatic for now. You can of course change the bid amount if you want. When you are charged, this is good, important. You can be charged by impressions. So every time Facebook shows your ad, doesn't matter if they click or not, to somebody, they will charge you. Or you can say, no, I just want to pay when somebody click on the link. That's the selection I'm using here right now. Okay, delivery type, this is good. Let's click continue. Excellent. Select a Facebook page that you have associated with this ad. If you don't have a Facebook page, later here on the course, I will add a bonus model where I will share with you one of the top models I have on my Facebook course, which is all about Facebook page domination, how you can create your page, how you can optimize, and all the best strategies that are working right now for most entrepreneurs on Facebook. That's coming in the next model. But if you have your Facebook page, of course, you can select here and associate your ad with that Facebook page. Let's scroll down, go to the specific configuration here, the links. So let's go to my website. This is the page I want to promote. So let me click on here because this is the new product. Copy, go back here and paste. Let's see, excellent, it's loading the images and everything. Headline here, you can customize the headline, the text. The headline is this information here, also the text, and you can customize all this. You can change the image, you can add a call to action, learn more, or all these other call to actions. They are adding call to actions all the time. Every time I come here, I see a new call to action, and that's great. Okay, display link optional. All these you can change and you can use as you want, okay? You can customize and update it. When you have all this ready, all you need to do is click on place order. And the main thing here, guys, again, I'm repeating, but this is important, is that we are showing this ad only to people that already visit your website, so they already know you. They know the products that you have. They know the service that you are providing. And you are saying, hey, you already know me. Check my new product here. Check my new blog. Check my new website. Check my new book. Okay? And the chances, this is why I'm so passionate about Facebook retargeting, because the chances for them to click on your link and buy your product are higher. As you probably know, the regular people today, they never buy from any company in the first interaction. They need to establish a relationship of confidence, of trust with the company, with the service, the product that they are buying. You know, if you need to buy a car, probably there are some brands of cars that you prefer over other cars because you know somebody that already have this product, you know the company, or you already have a card of that brand, so you like that. Probably the chances for you to buy the same brand again and again are higher than buying another brand that you don't know if the product is good. So what I am saying here is that because you already have a relationship a trustful relationship with this specific client, with this audience that we are targeting on this ad, the chances for them to actually click on your link and buy your product are higher. And that's all the magic of Facebook retargeting. And I'm really excited about it. I hope you are excited and looking forward to hear from you here on the comments. Go to the comments when you have your ad ready saying, hey, I just published my ad. I'm excited about it. Share the link to your ad with the community. And when you start getting results, when you start getting sales, please also go to the Q&A session here and share that with me and with all the community here on the course, okay? See you in the next video.